What's up guys, it's Coco and today we are going to be having Red Robin. Alright guys, today we're having burgers and onion rings and fries. Haven't had Red Robin in a while. And we are trying their finest burgers. I got Scorpion Burger. This new like pub burger that comes with dipping cheese sauce, but they forgot my cheese sauce, which is sad. A Mad Love burger and the traditional one with onions, lettuce, tomato. Yum. Guys, cheers. Let's start with the onion ring. I don't have any makeup on because I just did this facial today. It's called Moxie laser facial. And it's one of Kim Kardashian's favorite treatment that she routinely does for her skin. It's like a photo facial, which is kind of like it evens out your skin tone, your fine lines, wrinkles. It's good for maintenance of your skin, for anti-aging, for your pores. It's actually for everything. It's literally like a real filter for your face. You don't have to do the Snapchat filter. It's like literally a facial laser treatment for a filtered face. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's try one of these burgers. I want to try the Mad Love burger because this looks so big. And oh, this is the Banzai actually, not the Mad Love. This is the Banzai burger, which has teriyaki sauce, pineapple. That is so good. I heard this is one of their best burgers. Oh my god. So good. There's grilled pineapple in here, tomato, lettuce. If you say you don't like pineapple in pizza, you're crazy because pineapple in burgers are amazing. I haven't eaten in a while. Like, when I say a while, like, I haven't eaten for days. Like, I've been fasting because I know I need to film this weekend, so. Okay. I told myself I don't like Red Robin, but the Banzai burger, which has the pineapple and teriyaki sauce, you gotta get it. Oh my god. I can't even put it down. That's how good it is. So good. The pineapple is thick and juicy. It works so well. So, this laser has little to no downtime. That's why I love it. Now I look very kind of like, I just did this today, so for 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 to 4 days, I'm gonna look like sandy because the cells, the dead cells are gonna all come out into the surface of the skin, and then the new cells are gonna be replacing it. And that's why you're gonna have a clean, bright, filtered look. in your face. Also, this is 4 to 5 weeks of post-op for my buccal fat removal. What do you guys think? A lot of you guys are commenting, she looks like she didn't do anything with her face. And I've had like this people that are saying like, you still look very round. And I'm like, I blocked that person and you know who you are. She kept commenting, or she or he kept commenting like, your face is so round still. I'm like, can you like, that's like my biggest insecurity, but like, I blocked you guys, whoever you guys are hating on my face. But yeah, now you can finally see the results of my buccal fat removal, which is good because I'm happy with it. I look better with makeup. Right now I just look like sandy and like red and like irritated. I hate Red Robin's fries. You guys, that burger is so good. I can't even like try other things. Let's try this one. This is the pub burger, the new one. It looks very plain because it's supposed to come with like a dipping cheese because it's their new kind of burger. It comes with a dipping cheese, but they forgot about it. I'm mad. Speaking of mad, let's try the Mad Love. This has guac, onions, bacon, 2 kinds of cheese. Cheers. That is good too. I actually got Nick the scorpion burger because it's like the spicy burger that they have, which I've already tried before. It's not that spicy. Also, I remember trying Red Robin and I don't like it, and today it's kind of like hitting the spot. I think it's because I haven't eaten all week. Literally, I had 1 piece of salmon yesterday, all day. The day before that, I only had Brussels sprouts and probably like a piece of French fries. That's all I had for 2 days. And then the day before that is like 2 kinds of like salads from Cheesecake Factory, and that's it. So I can literally count how much I ate. So like the fast food right now is like hitting the spot so good. It's good. I'm enjoying this so good. So the facial took like an hour. 30 minutes they put the numbing cream, and you have to like wait 30 minutes for it to kick in, like a numbing gel. And then they start the Moxie laser, which is like little pricks. It's like a laser. It's like prickling your skin. I can tell it's painful without the numbing gel, and then it feels hot. And then they go through your skin probably like 4 times to 6 times, and I guess 8 times is like better. But I only did like 6 times because that's all I can do. It's kind of painful. And then it was burning for like 2 hours. Yeah, like your face is red and it's like burning for 2 hours. But after that, it just feels like sunburn. It's like something you can tolerate, not too bad. But you know, beauty's pain, so yeah, after that it feels okay. Now it just feels okay. I just feel like I can't touch my face, and it feels kind of like sensitive and just rough, and like it feels like it's kind of like wounded and sunburned that I don't want to touch it. That's what it feels like. After that, I can look like I have a filter on my face without Snapchat in real life. I'm saying, like, I was just talking to my lady who was doing my Moxie laser treatment for my face today. I was like, I'm always in the internet trying to find the latest advanced treatment and like facials for like anti-aging. And every time something comes out, like the newest thing, just FDA approved, of course, because I go to a board certified. This is the same people who did my buccal fat removal, so I go there too for my fillers, facials, whatever. There's literally like every 2 months there's like something new that they like have for your skin, like for literally for anti-aging, for wrinkles. It's like you can't age anymore in this like time of your life because there's so many treatments that you can do. I can't even keep up. Also, my bank account cannot keep up too. Of course, it's expensive. It's literally reversing your age or what you look like. I'm happy that I'm born in this lifetime because it's just so innovative in this lifetime. Like, imagine like in the next decade. Crazy, crazy. And I've heard, not that I just heard, but sidetrack note, like, I'm very hypochondriac, so I always like listen to health podcasts, and I always listen to like informative things about food and what you put in your body and just like health overall. That near the future, there's gonna be a pill that can reverse your age, your health span. Not your health span, but reverse your age. So like your health would be, and your longevity would be better and longer. Like if your age right now is like 50, you can take a pill. So like your health would be more of like a 20-year-old, you know what I mean? So I'm excited for that, and for sure I can't afford it, but maybe I can, I don't know. Cheers. This is my first time drinking, by the way, for the week. I have not drank all week. I'm getting so full because my stomach is so small. This burger, the bonsai, I finished a pineapple and now it's kind of like boring without the pineapple. So funny. I even like the fries today. I think I'm just literally like craving fast food. What about you guys? What have you been doing lately? I asked Mary if she wanted to do a video with me. She was like, no. She's just on her phone playing with Minnie. Super content. She had pancake for dinner. She had Reese's Pieces cereal on the side. She had has like lots of snacks in my house, so she has lots of food. I'm not gonna tell Mary to eat healthier No, because she's still young, but when she turns 20, I'm going to teach her how to eat healthier and progress it. I'm gonna let her enjoy her, like, you know, childhood. Like, you can eat anything and everything and not gain weight. Like, I'll let her do that because honestly, when I was that age, like, probably to like 20, I didn't care about what I eat mostly. But once you start your age decline, like, I'm gonna start her early. 20, I'm like, teach her to eat. Like, salads is like her rice, you know what I mean? So that's exciting. Not. So good. So good, you guys. Try the bonsai burger from Red Robin. I do not like Red Robin before. This is good. I'm telling you. Also, funny story. I gotta tell you this because this is so embarrassing. So if you guys know, my other job is serving. I like working in a really nice upscale restaurant, which I love. Love working there. It's probably the best job I've ever had, besides YouTube. So yeah, best job I ever had. And then the other night I was serving. And you know, I had that Care 11 News, like, kind of promote my channel from my previous video from a Buccal fat removal. I don't know if it's that or... But I had literally 2 tables. This has never happened in my restaurant. I had 2 tables that day who sat down in my section. They were like, and these are like, the first one was like 2 guys. So it's like embarrassing. They were like my age, so it's like extra embarrassing. They were like, aren't you like, this was like, they were paying. Sorry, I kept like cutting it and like going to the end. But, so they were eating, they're done eating. Literally, I like asked them to like order the biggest burger because it's bomb. Like the Royal burger. And they did. And then this guy was like holding his phone like in front of me, and he was like, aren't you the girl who eats? I'm like, what do you mean? You know, like on Instagram and like YouTube, but I know he meant YouTube. I'm like, maybe. Who told you? I'm like, this is so embarrassing when it's like in real life. It's kind of like embarrassing because it's like I'm a girl and like I'm a woman, and then they're like, aren't you the girl who eats? Like, for me, it's kind of like, ooh, that's kind of gross. Like if I kind of like had a conversation with someone and like, aren't you the girl who eats? Like it's kind of embarrassing in real life, but like this is kind of like my second world, like YouTube and like my computer and like my DSLR, my studio. Like this is like a different world in my mind and how I feel. Like I want to keep it that way. Like, so like when somebody approaches me about what I do in YouTube in real life, I feel like I can't answer it, and I feel like I don't want to talk about it because I shove a lot of food in my mouth and then I don't feel so good about how it's said that way. I don't know. But if you're me, you would know, but you're not, so you don't know. These burgers are good. I am good. one more bite because I'm so full. Saving this for Nick. I got this for him. He bought me the champagne bottle tonight. We got the food tonight. He took me out to dinner last Saturday. And it was worth $400. We didn't even like the food and the service in the restaurant. Like, By the time we got home from our date night, we felt like we were robbed. Service was awful. Food was awful. Everything was awful. Awful. But he paid for it because he's a gentleman. He usually pays for like date nights. Because I choose the most like expensive restaurants to go at. But yeah, I am full and I'm tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.